In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow an app blocked by Microsoft Defender Smartscreen, reputation-based protection. If Windows is stopping an app you trust, I'll show you how to run it safely and how to adjust the right settings without weakening your overall protection. First, the quickest and safest override is built right into the Smartscreen prompt. When you try to open the file and the warning appears, look for the More Info link on that dialog. Click it, and you should see a Run Anyway button. Choose Run Anyway to tell Smartscreen that you trust this file. This doesn't turn off protection system-wide, it just lets this one app run. If Windows still seems hesitant, the file may be marked as coming from the internet, which can trigger extra checks. You can remove that mark directly. Find the app file in File Explorer, right-click it, and choose Properties. In the General tab, look at the bottom for the message that says this file came from another computer and might be blocked to help protect this computer. Check the Unblock box, then click Apply and OK. Now try running the app again. This clears the Internet Zone tag for that file only, which often resolves repeated warnings. If the app continues to be blocked, you can temporarily relax Smartscreen protections, run the app, and then turn protections back on. Open the Start menu and search for Windows Security. In Windows Security, select App and Browser Control, then click Reputation-Based Protection Settings. Here, toggle off Check Apps and Files and potentially unwanted app blocking. If the app is tied to your browser or the Microsoft Store, you can also temporarily disable Smartscreen for Microsoft Edge and, if needed, Smartscreen for Microsoft Store apps. With those toggles off, run the app. As soon as you've confirmed it opens and functions as expected, return to the same screen and re-enable every toggle you turned off. That restores your protective baseline. A few tips as you do this. Only proceed if you're confident about the source of the app, such as a trusted developer or a verified download page. Keeping Smartscreen on by default is important. It helps block malicious or deceptive software you might not recognize at a glance. Using Run Anyway or Unblock targets just the file you trust, while temporarily turning off protections should be your last resort and only for as long as necessary. That's it. With these approaches, you can run a trusted app while keeping reputation-based protection working for everything else.